Hello friends. So today I'm going to do unboxing of this Eufy camera, CCTV camera, which we are going to use for our house. This is Eufy Cam 3, and to be more specific, Eufy Cam S330. This box contain two cameras, CCTV cameras, with this home base, and these CCTV cameras comes with built-in solar panel, so which is a unique feature, and such kind of a device I wanted for my CCTV cameras, so that it should be energy efficient, and I don't have to bother about, and it can survive on its own. I have checked this from my neighbor, and he suggested me this camera because he was using, and the performance is really good as per his feedback. So, and these camera have 4K 4K resolution, and which is quite good, and these can work also in night, in color. It will not show in green, but it will be actually showing you color in the night also, which is really good. And also it is having some AI bionic mind, which is having some AI features, and it can go resolution up to 8x. You can see here 8x.
Yeah.
And also like in night it will work. So yeah, and these, it can save the whatever it is going to record, it's going to save in locally, it's not on the app. So it is quite in that way self surviving, self dependent. You don't have to depend upon, or you have to pay any monthly fees, so you are also saved with those. You can see local security, no fee, so you don't have to pay anything to anyone. You have to just spend money for buying this, and rest it is self-dependent. So we are going to use this in our house, and I'm going to unbox it.
Just flip the box and show
So
what's behind.
so these are the things included in this box. You can see home base, two cameras, then few cables, and then some mounting unit. It's all mentioned over here. So I purchased this through Amazon. Last year, it's been some time, but I'm getting some time to do the unboxing, and I'll show you. So be tuned. So it's having some thin cellophane paper. I should have used some blade instead of knife. Oh, sorry, instead of scissors.
Yes.
It is nicely packed. So let's see. So this is given some kind of a scanner code, which you can scan it also to guide you what's there, and the manual also online you can see by using this scanner.
Okay.
So now I have removed the thin film, and then I need to just drag it up Yeah,
There you go.
there you go. Beautiful. Looks so beautiful. In the picture, this box looks quite big, but in actual, it is not big. This is this much only. So it is quite, you can see, like, I assumed this one to be a little big, but you can see the box is so thin. It is just a small box. So compact, this much only length, and this much width. So it is Bionic Mind AI technology. So, and you can see there is, and you can put the network cable and USB cables, and then some points are there. So this is the device for storing the recording, and these cameras can be easily configured into this box. So right now I'm just going to show you, this is one of the camera. This is such a small device, and this is also having the solar panels, and I just need to put it in under the sun, and it's going to take its power and work. I don't have to connect it to any power. So this is another one. So these two cameras are there in this box, and I think this is 6" to 7" in height and very thin. So we are just going to mount it, and let me see what else is there in the box. So here I'm going to remove this tray, and then here, okay, I'm removing this, and these are the holding support for this camera on the wall or something. Wherever you are going to hold, you have to put it here and then fix the camera here, and this is how it's going to support the camera. So there are two for each of the cameras. And what else? And then we have some manual Eufy PAP2, which we have to see, we will see later. And then these are the charge, some plugs, and then these are for, depend upon in which country you're going to use. These are some adapters, 2 adapters, and these are the cables. You can see, and then this is also network cable, some screws, and then again some cable, C-type cable, and then these are pins, and then screws. So everything which was mentioned here, I think everything is there. All these you can also cross verify. Everything should be there. So this is it, friend. I'm going to mount this. Thank you.